Maupo po kayo. Magandang umaga po at welcome back to Manila, Senator Bongo. Si Senator Bongo po ay napakaraming tinulungan sa Manila. Maybe, kahit lamay. Simula sa lamay hanggang sa mga malalaking pangangailangan ng aming mga kababayan. I, for one, is a witness of it. So that's why, thank you very much. In fact, yung Malasakit Center, nag-umpisa sa kilometer 0. Dito yan sa Maynila. And Malasakit Center is now all over the country. And malaking bagay po yung ginawa ninyo noon na Senator. And we are on behalf of the people of Manila. Thank you very much sa inyo. Thank you. Ating partner, napakasipag, Doc Gap. Totoo po yung isang pinagkukwento niya hanggang madaling araw kasi si Gap, kahit gabi pwedeng i-text. Kahit early morning pwedeng tawagan. We always wanted to partners with the national government. Especially nowadays in the case of City of Manila with our fiscal challenges. At I'm happy and to our fellow Manileños, ito yung totoong konsepto. Kapag iisang antena o frequency ng National Executive Body, National Legislative Body, and the local government, if they are in sync or in synchrony towards delivery of public service, ito po tayo ngayon. Ito yung resulta. Magkakasama-sama tayo. Mag-aalay tayo ng programa, I think, magiging kapaki-pakinabang sa ating mga mamamayan. Mano pa sa may mga sakit. And this is our own little way of showing support to our partner, UPPGH, and to others. Kasi ang importante, ang isang common is taong bayan. And showing also our commitment to continue to deliver on what I believe personally. Where should the government invest? And beyond. Literally and beyond. Minimum basic needs. Healthcare, education, housing, and jobs. That's where your city government is going. That's where your city government is going to spend every single cent. Pagpapataas ng antas ng pamumuhay ng tao. The quality of life. If we have roof, those who doesn't have, or mga may hirap nating kababayan, maayos, matiwasay na bahay, as you have heard about Condominium 1, Condominium 2, Condominium 1, San Lazaro Residence, San Sebastian Residence, Pedro Hill Residence. These are 42 square meter, 2-bedroom, in-city vertical housing, and the Pasay community townhouse. And we're going to build, again, this coming first quarter of the city, of the 2026. So, kami excited. May kabulungan kami ni Gap kanina. I'm praying. Sana maging successful. I'm praying because with that success today, iawan Diyos, marami pang buhay na madudugtungan ang UP PGH. Ang PGH itself as an institution will now be, imagine yourself, only God knows who's going to live or die. But you have now a tool, knowledge, practical experience na makapagdagdag ng buhay ng isang tao. Mailagay siya sa malusog na Panginoon. Kaya to the PGH community, rest assured that you have city government of Manila will work hand in hand with you. And thank you in advance. Kasi nag-umpisa na tayo doon sa aming sa ospital ng Maynila. Marami na kaming kasi ang Maynila President ka, ang Manileño, President ka daw. Ito yung mga dito dapat nagpe-presidente. Yung mga Manileño maraming may minahal. Sa dami ng minahal nila, para mga puso nila. Kaya dudugdugin namin yun with your help, with science, equipment, and skills, and medical professionals. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to unclog PGH, to unclog Heart Center. But there is local government unit also investing in the same way that the national government hospital is doing. So, kapag nagtuloy-tuloy niyan, wala nang maiiwanan. And alam naman natin, yung mga ganong klaseng senaryo ay mga life-threatening situation ng mga kababayan natin. So, kaya thank you very much. Huwag yung aming pabayaan Director Padilla. But rest assured, we are really, despite of cash-strapped kami, despite of all the problems, kapag hindi naman maubos ang problema. Kaya lang, mas marami yung pangarap namin kaysa sa problema. Kaya, we are always focused. We don't want to be disturbed by noise. And patuloy kaming mamumuhunan sa aming mga bahay pangkalusugan. And today, we are grateful to Senator Bongo na kayo'y naglagay ng pondo ng mga panahon na yun. And maraming salamat kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. We give credit where it's due for supporting this program of PGH. In our own little way, dito, manawan na kayo rito. You can use it as long as you want. That may at least ease and give level of comfort to our patients. Especially, it will save some economic challenges of our constituents. And maybe those people who will come in and out of Manila because PGH is the best. They go to PGH. But later on, pag tinuruan nyo kami ng tinuruan, mga doktor, baka naman, magbubuti kami, gagaling din kami, masaya na kaming maging pangalawang magaling. Because the more, mas sumahaba ang kamay natin, mas marami tayong mayayakap. And that's, I think, the concept of public service. National and local, in synchrony, towards a particular common goal, which is public healthcare services. Ito ang ginagawa. So, sa aming mga partners, sa mga gustong mag-donate, i-diretso na ninyo rito sa balay. Dito nyo nadalhin. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Ako, sigurado ako, pag nag-donate kayo sa PGH, may kalalagyan. Ay, for one, testigong buhay. Talagang masisino at mainam na ginagastos. Sa mga mabubuting may puso, mabubuting puso na nakikinig at manonood, welcome kayo sa PGH. Medyo pa-slice naman kayo ng kaunti. And let's be man for others. Like, Father, sama ba? May sinabi sa Biblia, let your light shine for the greater glory of God. Tama ba? Ayaw. Kasi isa ka na English. But again, I am happy and grateful to PGH kay Pangulo Duterte, kay Senator Bongo. We're happy to be partner, and rest assured, in the coming days, weeks, and months, for years, as long as I'm here, huwag kayong mag-alanganin na katukin kami, kasi kami ni Padilla, hindi kami mahiyang katukin kayo. Magandang araw, pagpalain nawa kayo na Maraming salamat.